How to add or remove Braille Tables Language on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on Accessibility, then tap on VoiceOver. Next, we go down and tap on Braille. In here, tap on Braille Tables. Now to remove a Braille table, tap on Edit, and then tap on Remove, then tap on Delete. To add in a Braille table, tap on Add Braille Table. From the list here, select a language to add, and then tap on it, and that will be added to the Braille tables. And that's it. So that is how you can add or remove a Braille table on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.